Whenever I introduce DriveWorks to companies starting their design automation journey, I always highlight the three main steps to get the things rolling. Let's see together here. So as you can see, the three main steps are like that. Step 1, capture what can it change. Step 2, design your user interface. And step 3, write the rules that connect everything together. Sounds straightforward, right? But here is something I often ask. Have you ever really stopped to think about that first step? What does it really mean to capture what can it change? At first glance, it seems simple, but when you look closer, it's actually a very broad and powerful concept. It's not just about a few dimensions in a part. We are talking about any part of your design process that varies from one order to the next. And let's take a deeper look at this idea and explore just how much you can really capture. Because when we say capture what can it change in DriveWorks Pro, we are talking about identifying every part of your design or a document that might vary from one project to another, right? But first of all, are we talking on a SolidWorks files? That could mean SolidWorks parts, SolidWorks assemblies, or SolidWorks drawings. For instance, if we are talking on SolidWorks part, are we referring to dimensions, length, width, thickness, or something similar? Or we are referring to features like extrusions, cuts, patterns, fillets, or maybe custom property like material and finish, or even a configurations of a same part. For assemblies, are we referring to a separation state of a component, on or off based on the rules, component position, distance or angle? Or we are referring to an assembly structure, which components are included, maybe mates or just changing configurations. If you are focusing in SolidWorks drawings, what are the reference models, the linked parts and assemblies in that drawings? Do you want to control dimensions, annotations, title blocks, notes, or just the view visibility? Or what is important for you is the files and documents, file names and the save locations? Or do you want to control the exporting to different formats like PDF, DXF files, or even generating non-CAD documents like Excel sheets or cover pages, which is fully automated? Or you were referring to what is beyond CAD from the beginning, like prices, bill of material data, approval status, or lead time, or even collecting information of a client and their regions. I just wanted to emphasize that if I keep going deeper, this will be amazing and massive. Of course, this is just a sample of what's possible. The beauty of DriveWorks Pro is that it's designed to adapt to your process, no matter how simple or complex it is. But here is an important note. DriveWorks Pro is scalable. You don't need to figure everything out from day one. Start small, capture the essentials, and build gradually. Step by step, you will end up with a system that is not only automates your designs, but truly transforms your entire process. So whether it's a product or document or even a decision, if it can change, DriveWorks can capture it. See you later.